Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this short video today, I'm going to show you how to get the first initial noon report after the ventral departure. Well, this is very common task for the second officer. That's why in this video now, I will show you how to get that before you prepare the email for the captain. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Well, as you can see that this is our noon report form. So now I will show you how to get all of this information. Okay, so for the voyage number, you have to get the current voyage number. So for example, our current voyage number is 2404. To date August 5th 2024, and we are from Taichung to Panama. So with the position, you will have to check and get the position at noon, okay, 12 o'clock. So here's our position, 25 degrees 39 minutes north, longitude 121 degree 41 minutes east. So for GMT, you have to get the current GMT. Our current GMT is +8. So next, distance to go. This one very important. So you will have to calculate the distance to go from noon to the next pilot station. So you can get and check that on the on the Eclipse or paper chart. So let me show you. Well, as you can see that to get the distance to go, you have to change the waypoint to pilot station, and then you will get the total distance to go to the pilot station. Well, our total distance to go is 8781, right? So the distance to go is 8781 nautical miles. Okay. So next, for the sailing hour, you will get the sailing hour from start of sea passage to noontime, because just like what I mentioned before, this is my first noon report. That's why I will get from start of sea passage to the noontime. So here's our start of sea passage time and the distance to go. I will get 12 o'clock. 12 minus 3.5. So sailing hour is 8.5. 8.5 hour. So distance runs. So you will get the distance runs from the start of sea passage to noontime. So you just get the distance to go at the start of sea passage minus to distance to go at the noontime. Then you will get the distance runs. 889 minus 8781. So 108 nautical miles. 108 nautical miles. So for the average speed, you just get the distance run divide to sailing hour. 108 divide 8.5. So here's our average speed, 12.71. 2.71. So for the log distance, you will get this one on the Doppler log, okay, at the noontime. So let me show you. Well, this is our Doppler log, and here's our total log distance from start of sea passage to noon time, 107 nautical miles. You can see that our Doppler log is 107 nautical miles. Now to get the average Doppler speed, you have to get this one, divide to 8.5 hour. 107 divide 8.5, so you get 12.59. 2.59 knots. So next one is propeller hour. So with the propeller hour, you will get that from last light cast off. Okay, so for example, our last light cast off time is 0224 local time. So I will get 12 minus 2.4, so we get 9.6 hour. This is the propeller hour. So for the propeller distance, you just do the same, like this is our last light cast off distance to go. You get this one minus to distance to go at the noon time. 8899 minus 8781. So we will get 118 nautical miles. So this is the total propeller distance from last light cast off to the noon time. Okay, and this one is from start of sea passage to noon time. So for the next one, total sailing hour. So this is my first noon report. That's why this one I will write the same. 8.5 hour. Distance run, total distance run 108 nautical mile. And this one 12.71 knot. So for tomorrow, you have to plus from noon to noon. Like you have to plus this hour to the sailing hour. For example, tomorrow you have to calculate from noon to noon. Okay. So for the total distance logs out today, just the same, 107 nautical miles. Speed, same. So for tomorrow, you have to get the total distance log distance on the Doppler log minus to this one. Then you will get the current, like the log distance from noon to noon. Okay. For propeller hour, so just write out the same. For tomorrow, you just plus with 24 hour or 23 hour. It depends. 118 nautical miles. So for the quartz and speed, so you need to write this one. The current quartz is speed at the noon time. So our current quartz 0.1, speed 12.8 knots. Okay. So for the wind direction, wind force, swell, wave, and current, so we'll obtain that at the noon time for the actual sea condition, or you can, reference with the weather service. So this one. You can see that. So this is what I obtained at the noon time. The wind direction, northwest. Wind force, 4. Swell, east. Wave, east. The height, 0.5 meter, 0.5 meter. So for the current northeast, we'll follow the current with 0.5 knots. Weather, overcast. So for the air temperature, you can get the outside of the wing, 31. Ship temperature, this one you can get that from the engine control room. Okay, every noon time you will try to get that from the engine, 30 degrees. So the next one, very important one as well, the bunker remain on board. So every noon time, the engine department will send you the bunker condition, like total bunker consumption for the last 24 hours or for until noon and remaining on board. So here you can see this one. Well, as you can see that this is the fuel oil consumption and remain on board, which I got from the engine department. So I have all the quantity and the consumption, okay? So remaining on board, 873.077. So the consumption from start of sea passage to noon time, 8.70 metric tons. For the DO, 164 metric tons. The consumptions, 0.1 metric tons. You just write down here so that you can easy to prepare the noon report email for captain. The fresh water, you can get the current fresh water, confirm that with the chief officer, 124 metric tons. Okay, it's almost finished. For the remark, you can write the ETA to the the next pilot station. The ETA you can confirm with the captain for sure. Okay, our ETA is September 4th, 2024 at 0800 local time. So just like that. And after you finish obtained all of this figure, you have to prepare the email for the captain so that he can send for the owner, charters, weather route, sub-charter, and so on. So, okay everyone, that's all for me. Thank you very much for the watching. So if you want to see more video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.